The DuPont Nature Center at Mississippian Harbor attracts thousands of visitors every year, and a lot of bird watching is done. That will continue thanks to the U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service and the National Fish and Wildlife Foundation stepping up and completing the restoration project with also state funding.
Well, the importance of it is it was slowly degrading, and then Sandy came in and pretty much wiped it out. As we're trying to deal with resiliency and adaptation to climate change, this also provides a natural buffer protecting the coastline of Delaware. And the longer we waited, the more impacts that we were seeing over time.
The state of Delaware is very unique in that we have amazing partnerships. So we were able to leverage the incredible monies of the state, of the feds, of the non-government entities, and all pull together and do this and accomplish this tremendous accomplishment of marsh restoration.
This restoration project at the Mississippian Harbor cost more than $7 million. It was necessary to protect the shorebirds and the horseshoe crabs.
This part of Delaware Bay is a globally important spawning area for horseshoe crabs, which makes it a globally important stopover for migratory shorebirds that are at risk because of threats all up and down their migration and habitat routes.
At the Mississippian Harbor at Back Beach, it is one of the important horseshoe spawning beaches in the Delaware Bay.
The beaches behind us is for horseshoe crab spawning, red knot foraging, which is a listed species under the Endangered Species Act, and this project essentially involved bringing in several tons of stone, bringing in 40,000 cubic yards of sand, and installing different rock features to make sure that the beach that we restored will be here for many years to come.
To be ready for future storms, they restored a rock wall to help protect the environment. I'm Anthony Joseph reporting for WRDE Delmarva Zone NBC Station.